Welcome to AKA Fighter Jet Force. Before we begin, we kindly request all our new viewers to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for daily updates on global air power. Now, let's begin our detailed breakdown of the Turkish Air Force power in 2025. In recent years, Turkey has made significant strides in strengthening its defense capabilities, and by 2025, the Turkish Air Force, known as Türk Hava Kuvvetleri, stands as one of the most formidable air forces in the region. With a strategic combination of modernization, indigenous production, and international partnerships, the Turkish Air Force is now recognized as a rising force on the global stage. 1. Strategic importance of the Turkish Air Force. Located at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, Turkey holds immense strategic importance. The Turkish Air Force plays a central role in NATO's southern flank and regional security. In 2025, its role is not only defensive but also a symbol of Turkey's growing technological and military ambitions. 2. Fleet strength and key aircraft in 2025. F-16 Fighting Falcons. The backbone of the Turkish Air Force continues to be its fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons. Turkey operates over 200 F-16s, and in 2025, most of these have been upgraded with advanced radar systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and modern weapons. Indigenous fifth-generation fighter, KAAN TF-X. One of the most exciting developments is Turkey's homegrown fifth-generation fighter jet, KAAN, formerly known as TF-X. By 2025, KAAN has completed its initial flight trials and entered limited production. This stealth fighter is designed for air superiority, with advanced radar-absorbing materials, AESA radar, and a high-performance engine. KAAN symbolizes Turkey's ambition to become self-reliant in aerospace. Unmanned aerial systems (UAS). Turkey has emerged as a global leader in drone technology. In 2025, drones such as Bayraktar Akan-C, Bayraktar TB2, and Anka-S are actively deployed in surveillance, combat, and strategic reconnaissance missions. The Akan-C drone, in particular, with its high payload capacity and long endurance, is seen patrolling Turkey's borders and overseas operations. 3. Modernization programs and indigenous projects. Turkey's defense industry, led by companies like Turkish Aerospace Industries Aselsan, and ROKETSAN, has played a major role in the modernization of the Air Force. Several key programs have matured in 2025. Göktürk Satellite System enables real-time surveillance and reconnaissance. Hisar Air Defense Systems, a domestically developed system capable of intercepting threats at medium and high altitudes. SAM cruise missiles, air-launched, precision strike missiles with ranges exceeding 250 kilometers. All these indigenous systems give Turkey an edge in electronic warfare, precision targeting, and air defense. 4. Role in NATO and international operations. As a NATO member, Turkey continues to participate in joint exercises and missions. In 2025, Turkish fighter jets are routinely deployed in international training drills, peacekeeping operations, and air patrols over conflict-prone regions. The Turkish Air Force also supports United Nations peacekeeping efforts and has bilateral defense agreements with Pakistan, Qatar, and Azerbaijan. 5. Training and pilots. The quality of the Turkish Air Force is not only in machines but in its personnel. Turkey's pilot training programs are among the most rigorous in the region. By 2025, simulators and AI-driven training tools have been incorporated to enhance pilot combat readiness. The Sigli Air Base, which hosts Turkey's main training command, is equipped with cutting-edge systems for pilot development. 6. Strategic air bases and reach. Turkey operates multiple strategic air bases in 2025, including Incirlik Air Base, a key NATO installation; Eskişehir Air Base, home to the KAAN prototype program; Konya Air Base, regularly used for joint NATO drills. These air bases, equipped with modern radar and communication systems, enhance Turkey's ability to project power far beyond its borders. 7. Challenges and future vision. Despite its rapid progress, the Turkish Air Force faces challenges. The country has been excluded from the F-35 program, leading to a gap in fifth-generation fighter capability. However, with the KAAN project advancing rapidly, Turkey is looking inward for solutions. Additionally, geopolitical tensions and regional conflicts require continuous readiness and diplomatic caution. Looking ahead, Turkey aims to achieve full self-reliance in combat aircraft production by 2030, increase drone swarm capabilities using AI, strengthen electronic warfare and cyber defense integration. In 2025, the Turkish Air Force stands as a symbol of technological advancement, regional dominance, and national pride. From fighter jets like the KAAN to world-renowned drones and indigenously built missile systems, Turkey's aerial capabilities are on par with many global powers. The future looks promising, with a focus on innovation, autonomy, and strength. Turkey's air dominance is not just about aircraft, it's about vision, resilience, and strategic foresight. If you found this breakdown informative, please hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to AKA Fighter Jet Force for more powerful military aviation content every single day. See you in the next mission. Until then, fly high and stay sharp.